If you're hoarding water, this message is urgent. The traditional methods of securing and storing water for your family's well-being are on the brink of becoming obsolete. Unbeknownst to many, a devastating 100-year-long drought has silently descended upon us. As revealed by a confidential NASA report more than a decade ago, this prolonged dry spell isn't sparing any corner of the continent, stretching its relentless grip from Canada to Mexico. It's aptly labeled the megadrought, and the clock is ticking ominously. Delve into the details provided below before it's too late. I initially shrugged off the warning, dismissing the signs that were unmistakably present. Every passing year saw the water levels in our well steadily decreasing until last year when it ran bone dry. Yet, I remained unfazed. With 500 gallons of stored water, I believed we had a buffer until we could dig a new well. Little did I know, there were individuals who recognized the impending crisis, realizing that digging new wells wouldn't be the saving grace for them or me. One night changed everything. Unbeknownst to me, two intruders were not after tools or money. They were pilfering the water crucial for my family's survival. Holding them at gunpoint, I failed to notice a third assailant, who sent me to the earth, where I was declared clinically dead. Though I barely survived, I thank God daily for that harrowing experience. It became clear that amassing water supplies wasn't the answer to the impending doom. Explore the link in the description, and I'll reveal how I discovered a solution that doesn't tether my family's safety to a water stockpile. Learn firsthand how to generate copious amounts of water from thin air, a technique that works even in the heart of a blistering desert. Visit the link in the description to unveil this life-changing revelation and safeguard your loved ones.